Hello everyone, welcome to the maths video. So here we have 3 over 9 squared is equals to 9 minus 4 over 3 n squared plus 2 over 3n squared. So what we're going to do, we're going to work out this one first. So we're going to find the LCM of 3 9 squared and 3n squared. So the LCM is 3n squared. So 3n squared goes into 3n squared once, and 1 times all of this shall be n minus 4. Then you add 2, this one 3n to 3n is 1, and 1 times 2 is, and 1 times 2 is 2. So this one should be is equals to this other one, 3 over n squared. Then from this other one, so multiply by 3n squared, then this one also multiply by 3n squared, because you want to move this n squared. So here goes there once, here goes there once. So from there we shall have n squared here once and n squared. So here we shall have 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So 9 is equals to n minus 4, this one plus 2. So here n should be equals to this 9 here, so we shall have this 9. Then minus 4 shall cross this whole sign, we shall have plus 4. Then positive 2, when it cross this whole sign, shall become minus 2. So here now n now is equals to 11. So remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.